Everybody, welcome back. So if you've seen a video by the Hobo Factory, the card up here in the top right, you notice that he recently got in a Zastava M83, and thanks to his experience, now I decided to get me one. However, I did not get mine from AIM Surplus. I got mine from Atlantic Firearms, and there's a little bit of a backstory on that, so I'll try to be brief. Main reason I got it from Atlantic Firearms is Atlantic Firearms was offering the good condition ones with the wood grip 4-inch model for $299, whereas AIM Surplus, I think AIM Surplus had their X grade for that price. When you look at the good model that Centerfire Systems had, they were $349. I did reach out to Centerfire Systems. I said, hey, can you guys do any better on the price if I do a review on it? And I was pretty much told the prices are set like they are, so I bought it from Atlantic Firearms. It was cheaper. You know, it's my own money, so it is what it is. So I'm going to spend it the best way possible. So here you are with just their inventory tag, nothing special. You will notice it was imported by EPS Imports, the same outfit that did those Albanian SKSs that came from Mocha's Rifus not too long ago. Video card up there. But as you guys see, it is exactly how I got it. Picked it up at my local FFL. Of course, you did see that I covered up the serial number. I have not cleaned this at all. It is like it is. The grips are in good shape. There's some tape back here. I really don't know why. There's a little bit of residue here, but the grips are intact. They're not chipped. They're not broken. There's some residue here. One of the things I did notice, your import stamp is right here. You see this stuff here, guys, that's not rust, okay? This is my first time. I've not touched it. That's just some residue from the cardboard and where it was sitting in here in the oil. I'm wiping it off right now just to show you guys so you can see. Now, if you look super close, you might be able to see some very fine speckling of rust on there, which will be super simple to wipe off. You'll also notice there's really not much of a drag line on that cylinder. I do not know what year it is, but we're about to find out. You guys see that sticker on there? I don't know how well that's going to come off. That's going to be a real pain. Probably going to have to use some Goo Gone on that, but it appears as though, as I peel this back and make a mess out of it, mine appears to be a 1992 model. Now this thing is absolutely, I mean, locks up tight. Their only points of contention on here is a small nick here on the barrel, as well as a small scratch here near the Zastava logo. There also is a small scratch here, but sum total, it looks to be in very good condition. There is a bit of a wear mark right here from that cylinder release. Really don't know why that's there. It is what it is, but I mean, guys, this thing looks absolutely awesome. I mean, if it's been shot, it has not been shot much, I don't believe, and it's just in really good shape. Really nice. Very, very good lockup. I mean, of course, like others have said, it has an absolutely horrendous double action pull, but a pretty nice, crisp single action pull. So I just wanted to share with you guys my experience of what I got from Atlantic Firearms. I think they're going to have more of these come in. I'm not sure. You have to go and check their website out. But I thought this was a smoking deal for the 4-inch model at $299. It was $35 to have it shipped. But just wanted to share this with you guys. I mean, looks great to me. I mean, the grips are in great shape. It also has that cool Zastava logo there. Really happy about that. I don't really know what else to say about it. But yeah, I think it's good. I think it was a good deal for the money. Like I said, very, very fine speckling of rust. Like, I mean, almost not even quite there. Surface rust, little specks in places, but I'll clean that up just fine. But the bluing is still largely intact, and it looks really good. So I just wanted to share this with you guys today. If you guys are thinking about getting one of these from Atlantic Firearms, this is what I got. They also had some of the 6-inch models, but I wanted one with the original wooden grips, and I'm super happy to get these with these wooden grips. I do got to take that tape off the back and clean this up a little bit, but that shouldn't be too hard. I mean, like I said, for the money, you just can't beat that. I mean, $299 for a .357 Magnum. I mean, that's a great deal and in great shape. So pretty happy about that. So just wanted to let you guys know that there are places other than Aim Surplus selling these, other than Centerfire Systems selling these, and do some shopping around. You might find a better deal. One place may put a sale on them. You just never know. But as always, just wanted to share this with you guys, let you know what you can expect. Sum total, I've been having some pretty good dealings with with Atlantic Firearms recently, and I'm pretty happy about this. So you guys let me know in the comment section down below if you got one from Atlantic Firearms, or if you got one from Centerfire Systems, or if you got one from Aim Surplus, or maybe Classic Firearms. I think they also had them. Curious to see what condition it was that you guys got. Just let me know, because I'm curious to see how the condition was versus the price you paid. For the condition of this one, I think $300 was an excellent price. Plus the fact that you got the original grips, which I was definitely after. So anyway, as always, guys, big thank you to my subscribers. Thank you guys for all your likes, your shares, your comments, and sharing in this crazy hobby of mine. And until next time, you guys have a great day.